मेहनत नहीं है, सालों भर का मेहनत है। 2007 में शुरुआत भारत ने ही किया था, उसके बाद पाकिस्तान, इंग्लैंड, वेस्ट इंडीज, श्रीलंका, वेस्ट इंडीज, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन 2022 का, और 13 साल बाद एक आईसीसी ट्रॉफी वापस घर। 2024 चैंपियन दूसरी बार भारत इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप का, और वो 3 चेहरे 1983 कपिल पाजी, MS धोनी, अब रोहित शर्मा। 2024 वर्ल्ड चैंपियन, और चलते हैं प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच इस विश्व कप फाइनल के, विराट कोहली।
And can you imagine, it has just started to rain here. A player of the match, Mr. Khalid Zamil, Vice President Public Affairs Aramco, to none other than Virat Kohli. Let the emotion run, Virat. What does this mean to you?
Well, this was my last T20 World Cup, and this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. This is an amazing game. I was telling Rohit today when we went out to bat, I was like, one day you feel like you can't get a run, and then you come out and then things happen. God is great. I bow my head in gratitude. I'm just really grateful I was able to get the job done for the team on the day that it mattered the most.
It was a different Virat Kohli we saw today, the Virat Kohli we've seen all these years. What prompted that change in you?
Well, just the occasion. It was now or never kind of a situation. I knew this is my last T20 game playing for Lift the Cup. And as I said, it was the occasion that helped me put my head down and just respect the situation rather than trying to force things out there, and just really play the game that my team wanted me to play.
Have you just made an announcement, Virat, about T20 internationals?
Yes, I have. This was an open secret. It was not something that I was not going to announce even if we had lost. This was going to be my last T20 World Cup playing for India. It's time for the next generation to take over. 2-year cycle, there's some amazing players playing in India, and they're going to take the team forward in the 2020 format and do wonders as we've seen them do in the IPL. And I have no doubts that they'll keep the flag waving high and, you know, really take this team further from here now.
In 2011, you said it's time to carry someone on the shoulders because he's carried India for so long. Time to carry you on the shoulders maybe for this.
No, I don't think so. I mean, look, it's been a long wait for us, you know, just waiting to win an ICC tournament. And it's not just me alone. You look at someone like Rohit as well. He's played 9 T20 World Cups. This is my 6th. So he deserves it as much as anyone else in the squad. So we're just happy we were able to get the job done. And really, it's hard to explain, you know, the emotions I felt after the game. I knew what kind of mindset I was in. I wasn't very confident in the last few games. I wasn't feeling really good out there. But when God has to bless you with something, He shows you in ways that you can't imagine. That's why I said I'm really grateful and humbled right now when I bow my head.
Well, Virat, the world sees you as a very tough human being. It's revealing to see this side to you today.
It's been difficult, and hence the emotions of how the game went as well, where we came back from, the kind of character the guys showed. It's really difficult to hold things back. I think it's going to sink in a little later, and the emotions are going to come to the surface a little later more, but it's just an amazing day. I couldn't be more thankful.
If it is indeed the last one, you go with your head held high as you always do. Well done, Virat Kohli.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Arsha.
What a player.
इससे बेहतर आखिरी विश्व कप का मैच नहीं हो सकता. You leave on a high, legend विराट कोहली. Player of the match, finals 2024, champion team India. 7 रन से जीता इस मैच को. Close match, never say die attitude. दोबारा देखा है रोहित और रोहित की टीम ने. चलिए अब बुमराह की तरफ चलते हैं. Man of the moment, another champion.
Vice President Public Affairs Aramco will present the trophy to the incredible Jasprit Bumrah. I'm just pausing to let the sound come through, Jasprit. Did you think when you were a kid growing up in Ahmedabad that far away here in Barbados you'd be seeing these kind of emotions?
Not at all. Usually I'm the one who tries to keep my emotions in check and try to focus on the job. But today, I don't have a lot of words. The emotions are taking over. I usually don't cry after a game, but this feels really special. Midway stage, we felt we were in trouble, but to pull off a win like this is an unreal feeling.
Is this the very best that you've bowled? Because I've seen cricket for a while. I've yet to see a white ball bowler bowl at this level consistently. What do you think of it?
I'm just really over the moon that, my son is here, my family is here, and I could do something special for India. We've been working really hard towards this, and we've come close. We just fell short last time, but we were able to go through this time. There's no better feeling than that. We play the sport for this, for these days, for big stages when you do well and you get your team through. There's no better feeling.
It's incredible that in a game that's normally dominated by batters, there's a bowler who's the player of the tournament. And right from the first game, you just looked like your rhythm was right, everything was right.
Yeah, it just felt good. I was trying to keep myself in a bubble because I was spending time with my family, not thinking too far ahead, staying where your feet are. All of these things are okay. Yes, we do say it, but when comes the big day, you have to do it even more. You have to do what you have been doing, not to try over because it's the final. So yeah, it just felt very good, and over the tournament, I felt very clear and calm.
Was there ever pressure on you, because you are the lead bowler? Was there ever pressure on you that your 4 overs are the key moments? And especially today when you came back for the 16th.
I don't look at it like that because, whenever I'm in my peak mindset, I think of one ball at a time and 1 over at a time. If I think of the overall picture too early, I give on to the pressure and I try too hard sometimes. So this was what was working for me today. Yes, obviously emotions can take over and was taking over, but you had to keep yourself in check. But now the job is done, the emotions can come out and you can, scream and shout.
I suppose the times that you didn't quite cross the line as you would have wanted to, some of this for the nation and for the global society?
Very hard to sum up what we've been through for the last 3 or 4 years. To be honest, we work really hard as individuals and as a team. A lot has gone behind the scenes for us to be here today and winning this game. It's not what we did today, it's what we've been doing for the last 3-4 years. That's the result that has come for us today. We played a lot of high pressure game in the past as well, and we've been on the wrong side of it as well. So guys do understand, when the pressure is on, what needs to be done. And today was the perfect example of when the back is against the wall, what is required. We stuck together as a team, all of us, even though, at one point it was looking South Africa's way, but I thought, overall as a team, as a group on the field, we wanted this really bad. We wanted to win this, but I know to win a tournament like this, a lot goes behind the scenes, a lot of efforts, a lot of mind needs to come together. And I'm very, very proud of the bunch of boys that I have and the management as well for giving us that liberty to go and play and execute and having that trust in each one of us. And that has to start from the management, coach, captain, and then the players, go out there and do it. Throughout the tournament, I think we were fantastic.
Let's talk about a few individual players and not isolating anyone else, but Virat's form wasn't the greatest coming into this final. What's your appreciation of what he did today with the bat?
Look, I was, not me, but nobody was in doubt about that form of Virat's. We know the quality that he has. He's been on top of his game for the last 15 years. Come the occasion, we know big players will stand up. Virat was obviously holding that one end, which was very, very crucial for us. And the others played around him. And for us to get to that total was a team effort as well. We wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. These are not the wicket where you can just come and bat freely and keep the scoreboard ticking straight away. So we do understand that, and we wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. Virat did that perfectly. That is where experience, all the years that he has played comes into the picture. And the other guys around played really well. Aksar's knock of 47 was, I think, very, very crucial as well.
Let's jump on to the bowling now, and you've got many, many heroes across the tournament. Axar himself with the ball, Kuldeep, Ashdeep. But this guy, Jasprit Bumrah, how do we put into words what he keeps doing?
I can understand you guys trying to put it out in the words, but I've been someone who's seen him for so many years playing alongside me. Even I don't know what exactly is with him, and what I know exactly what he brings to the table, but how he does that, it is just masterclass, to be honest. And he backs his skills, which is more than enough. And he's a very confident lad. Whatever he wants to do, he executes that to perfection, which is a very rare sight. I know.
Hardik is telling you that he wants to celebrate here now.
Yeah, no, I mean, just with Bumrah, to put it in one word, he's a class act.
And Hardik bowling that.
Hardik was brilliant as well. Bowling that over, no matter how many runs is required to bowl that last over, nerves and all of that. I'm very, very, very proud of the boys.
A word to the fans who've turned up here finally, who've supported you at home and abroad.
Yeah, no, absolutely fantastic. All the way through New York to Barbados, I just want to salute them, to come and support us the way they have. And also back home, millions of people are sitting there watching it, and it's a late night in India. I'm pretty sure they will be up tonight to watch this. It is for them. They've been waiting for a long time, like we have. So yeah, I mean, very, very proud of what we've achieved today.
Rohit, congratulations. Thank you very much for all the entertainment you provided around this tournament. Once again, I'll allow you to go and to join your teammates to receive the trophy from Mr. Greg Barclay, the ICC chair, and Mr. Jay Shah, ICC director. Congratulations to India, led by Rohit Sharma, ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champions 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, your champions, 2024 T20 World Champions, India. क्या बात है 2007 में आखिरी बार जीता था, 2007 में शुरुआत हुई थी T20 विश्व कप की, और उसके बाद 2014 में आप फाइनल पहुंचे थे, लेकिन उसके बाद कभी इतने पास नहीं आए थे। एक ऐसे मुकाबले में इसको बाहर लेके जा रहा हूँ।
To all the Malayali people who watch in 1983, film was 2007, 2011, another Malayali. And 2024
क्या बात है? ये देखो आप, ये बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता नहीं है। That is the most seen run by India.
Rahul bhai,
World Cup winner है भाई राहुल द्रविड़। बिल्कुल, आप कहीं पे बैठ के आप इसको देख रहे होंगे, आप भूलोगे नहीं, चाहे आप वहाँ पे हो, चाहे आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, चाहे आप मोबाइल पे देख रहे हो, ये ना एक किसी का माहौल है। ये माहौल है जो मतलब दोस्त एक साथ आ रहे हैं, जो दोस्त नहीं है वो भी एक साथ मिल रहे हैं। ये मूवमेंट इतना बड़ा है, मतलब आप इसको बार बार देख सकते हैं।
इसके लिए जो जीते हैं ना, इसी के लिए तो खिलाड़ी तैयार होता है, इसी के लिए तो यही लम्हों को जीने के लिए तो खिलाड़ी तैयारी करता है कि भाई यार क्रिकेटर बनना है। क्यों बनना है? क्योंकि यार वर्ल्ड कप जीतना है। क्योंकि बाकी की चीज़ें आप कितनी बार जीत लो, ट्रायंगुलर सीरीज हो जाए, या फिर आप किसी भी एक सामने और किसी टीम को बुला के खेल लो, भाई उनको हरा दो, या फिर कोई PIL खेल लो, ये जीतना बहुत बड़ी बात है भाई। ये दिस इज व्हाट इट इज, दिस इज वेयर इट मैटर्स द मोस्ट। अनबिलीवेबल।
जिसमें 8 साल के बच्चे, 10 साल के बच्चे, जिनका नया फेवरेट क्रिकेटर पैदा होगा,
एक चीज़ है जो पूरी टीम मैनेजमेंट है, BCCI से लेके सारे जो सेलेक्टर से लेके सपोर्ट स्टाफ से लेके सबको या बिग सैल्यूट है। मतलब ये जो लम्हे हैं, जो मेमोरीज से adding value to other people's lives, they just added value to the entire world. मतलब अनबिलीवेबल।
एक्चुअली मतलब ये कहावत है ना, कोई अकेले ऊपर नहीं चढ़ता। वो एक पुरानी मतलब ये गलत सोच है। ये हम टीवी में बोलते हैं अकेले, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। आपको ऊपर चढ़ना है तो आपको एक दूसरे का सहारा होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। एट व्हाटएवर लेवल इट माइट बी, एट व्हाटएवर केस इट माइट बी, किसी ना किसी का कहीं ना कहीं आपके ऊपर असर पड़ता है जिससे आप ऊपर चढ़ते हो। कभी अकेले कोई नहीं कभी पड़ता, टीम चढ़ती है तो एकजुट होकर चढ़ती है, और वो टीम में दिखी है।
क्वेश्चन से इस टीम के बारे में पहले, ओल्ड टीम जो भेज रहे हैं